Hello, this is Eileen, the environmental educator. In this video, we're going to talk about this Guardian headline today. It's a November 20th, 2024 article, and 5 firms in Plastic Pollution Alliance made 1,000 times more plastic than they've cleaned up. The 5 firms, 5 oil and chemical companies, which promised to divert plastic from the environment, produced 132 million tons of it. This organization, the Alliance to End Plastic Waste, here's their website, and they want a circular economy for plastic, which means they want it to be recycled. They don't want to end it, even though it's the Alliance to End Plastic Waste. They consider that ending it just means that you then go through more processes to recycle it into something else. Okay, that is not the solution. If you've been around here before, what is the solution? Oh, ending our disposable society and all of our disposable plastic. Now that's the solution. But their solution, of course, because they want to keep themselves in business, and what is the main ingredient in plastic? Oh, it's oil. But what can do everything that oil does? Oh, hemp. If DT would lead the world with the hemp revolution, we could be making hemp, all the plastic waste. One, we end it by having a reusable society, and that reusable material be hemp instead of plastic. This solution is nothing of a solution. You can read this website, but plastic bottles are not trash. No, they're recyclable. It requires cohesive collaboration. To enable this, we convene stakeholders and facilitate a global exchange of experience and expertise, laying the groundwork for innovative solutions that helps to end plastic waste. What innovative solutions outside of recycling do they have? None that I can see. If you click on this, they want to study a deposit return system. They just want you to return it so that it can be recycled into something else. But that's not a solution. That's nothing close to a solution. One of the big interesting things is in this Guardian article, Bill McKIBBEN, of course, they love Bill McKIBBEN. It's hard to imagine a clearer example of greenwashing in this world. Down further, they add to that, there's the first part, the oil and gas industry, which is pretty much the same thing as the plastics industry, has been at this for decades. And this is coming from Bill McKIBBEN, an environmentalist. Oh, really? That's pretty funny. He can't imagine a clearer example of greenwashing in this world? Okay, here is 350.org's Wikipedia page. They started in 2007, 17 years ago. And what have they done in that time? They have refused the solutions the world needs. Now this is, when I took this screenshot, I should have gone down further to where I captured the date of this, okay? So I was stupid. I've started doing that. But this was years ago. They wouldn't let me post on their Facebook pages because I would post that Bill McKIBBEN is a preventing solutions fraud in his 350 organization. And the only thing they've done is got Earth to 400 plus. In 17 years, he has never achieved anything in getting CO2, carbon dioxide, parts per million, closer to 350 than when he started. He is a complete proven failure. And he won't allow solutions, which is why he wouldn't let me tell people on his Facebook page of that. And now when I go to Facebook, when I put in 350.org, absolutely nothing shows up. I used to get chapters. Now I get absolutely nothing. I can't see anything. It's ridiculous. Now here's their X page. I could comment on that because I've never commented on this page before, but I could absolutely get myself taken off of that just by commenting. Here's Bill McKIBBEN. He is on a gazillion of my emails. Since Got Earth 400 Plus started, they have refused all of these solutions that the world needs. Bill McKIBBEN is a fraud. He gets up every single day. He and his entire 350 staff get up every single day and will not give you solutions. talk about greenwashing. So this is just a big headline on The Guardian. And sometimes when I look up environmental news, I just search environmental news. You always get this Guardian link. When you come to this Guardian link, you just scroll down a little bit. And right here, it shows how carbon dioxide just goes up and up and up and up. 350 got Earth to 400 plus, started in 2007. So that's about here, somewhere in the timeline. And what has it done? It's just gone straight up. This is on the Guardian's page, who they are on distribution too. Even their top 2 editors are on distribution with Bill McKIBBEN when I let them know that Bill McKIBBEN won't allow solutions. But they don't have a problem quoting him because he's such an expert. He cares so much. He's not. He's just a fool who won't allow solutions. But right here, they say that the alliance to get rid of this plastic waste was intended to change the conversation away from short-term, simplistic bans of plastic and create real long-term solutions for managing waste like recycling. That's not managing waste. You know how you manage waste? You don't have any. It's very, very simple. So this is all just ridiculousness. The people whose ingredient is the main component in plastic have a very real interest in keeping plastics alive. And so they're not interested in just doing what's needed. Worse is that neither is Bill McKIBBEN and every other environmental voice out there. If DT would let me lead the world, which I'm going to do a video, I'm going to Melania right now. Her staff is like, why is she emailing us? But, well, I've emailed before, but now it's a different angle. I'm going to do some videos about that. But no one else will get this to DT. And this is what the world needs. Because as I just said in an email to these people the other night, okay, yesterday DT was with Elon in the command center for SpaceX launch. Oh, okay, that's great. Because that's so cool. It's sci-fi. It's other planets, maybe sometime in the future. It's rockets. Yay, it's rockets. Oh my God, that's so cool. But you know what? We live on this Earth. And we're trashing this Earth. And what we need to do is stop all of these plastics because we are trashing this Earth. Whether it's visible like this or it's invisible in the air and water and soil and all of the toxins and chemicals that get put out because of all of this. So I keep trying, people. I keep trying to get actual real solutions implemented. Stay tuned.